Guys ready to come on another tour with us? Let's go.
See the Olympus. Here's the Olympus, over 5,000 square feet.
5-bedroom, 5.5 bath, 3-car garage.
Club room, the loft.
Media room as well.
Let's go inside.
Immediately when you walk into the Olympus, you have a den/club room. It is extremely spacious and very, very amazing for entertainment.
My personal favorite part of the home. As soon as you come in, an open foyer, about 20 feet all the way up to the second floor. Heading towards the kitchen, you have your dining room on the left. Switching it up this time, we have our stat cabinets going up to the ceiling height. Once again, our beautiful Hayes quartz and the farmhouse sink.
Look at the spacious great room. It's absolutely fantastic. You also have the natural light pouring in from those big, beautiful sliders. Now follow us to the primary suite. Welcome to the primary bathroom. We have the his and her vanities again in this floor plan. In this model, we have the built-in linen closets. My favorite part of this bathroom is going to be the dueling his and her commodes. Jake, what do we got to show them over here?
With a first floor primary bedroom, beautiful walk-in closets, built-ins, flooring, white oak species. I really want to watch a movie.
So do I.
Is there a movie theater in this house?
I believe so. Wow, this is nice.
Really nice.
Yeah.
You want to keep going?
Let's show them the rest.
See it. With the second level, showcasing 4 guest bedrooms, 3 being en suite.
This is one of the bedrooms Jake was just speaking of. However, we have a very nice walk-in shower. We also have a beautiful, spacious walk-in closet. Follow us to the next bedroom. Follow us to the loft. This way, we have an additional bedroom.
I got one more. Heading up to the front, your last guest bedroom, another ensuite.
Thank you again for taking a tour with us. My name is Gio.
I'm Jake.
If you need additional information, please feel free to visit glhomes.com or call into the sales center today.
Or comment below and let us know what house you want to see next.
See you next time.
See you soon.